Hi, I'm Sai, your virtual business integrator, and welcome to day 7, the final day of 7 days to predictable revenue. Today, we're wrapping up this series with a powerful tool, the Growth Engine Checklist. This checklist connects all the pieces you've worked on over the past week into a clear, actionable roadmap for sustained growth. Growth isn't just about doing more tasks, it's about building a system where every part, goals, funnels, KPIs, delegation, campaigns, and leadership works together smoothly. This checklist helps you review each critical area so you can identify gaps, prioritize next steps, and ensure your business scales predictably. I'll quickly guide you through the major sections.
Welcome to day 7, and today's worksheet is the path to predictable revenue. So this is your integration tool. It's how you turn what you've learned into a repeatable growth rhythm that keeps your business scaling predictably. And here's the thing, most businesses don't struggle because they lack effort. They struggle because their systems don't work together, and you can have a great funnel, a clear offer, and even a strong team, but if they're not aligned, chaos creeps back in. And this checklist makes sure every part of your business, your goals, your metrics, your campaigns, and your team moves in sync toward the same outcome. And let's walk through this worksheet together. So you'll review 7 key areas that form your growth engine. So number 1, the revenue bottleneck identification. This is where it all began back on day 1. Finding your biggest constraints. So you can ask yourself, have I clearly defined my top bottleneck? Do I have a plan, not just awareness, to remove it? So this keeps your focus on solving problems that actually move revenue, not just symptoms. And on step number 2, your North Star metric and 90-day goal. So here's where vision meets structure. You defined your North Star on day 2. Now make sure your 90-day goals align directly with it. When every team target connects back to your North Star, you create momentum instead of noise. Just put a check on the checkbox if you have completed all of this. And on step 3, the funnel mapping and lead flow, check your funnel health. Do you know exactly where the leads are leaking? And have you addressed your top 2 drop-off points from day 3? Predictable revenue starts with predictable lead flow. And just be honest if you completed this or if you already have this or not. Because again, our goal here is to have clarity in order for us to have opportunity for growth. And step 4, KPI. This is your mini KPI scorecard from day 4, which is your command center. So if you're still relying on gut feeling instead of data, this is your red flag. Make sure every key number has an owner, a target, and a reviewer of them. And number 5, from day 5, this is where scaling becomes sustainable. The question is, do you have SOPs in place for your key processes? Or are you still the bottleneck, or have you started building a teachable backend that runs with you? So make sure to answer this honestly. Step number 6, here's where all the structure meets action. From day 6, review your campaign plan. So is your next launch aligned with your 90-day focus? Are roles, messaging, and KPIs crystal clear before you start? So make sure to read and answer this honestly. And on step 7, finally, leadership. Because none of this sticks unless you keep leading with clarity. You can ask, do I review my systems regularly? Does my team understand where we're going and why? So this is what turns you from operator to a true CEO. Now, once you've gone through all the 7 sections, highlight 1 to 2 areas that need the most improvement right now. Then ask yourself, what would change if I fix this? Who can help me move it forward? And what resources or tools do I need next? This is how you build your next 90-day roadmap based on facts, not guesswork.
If you haven't completed previous worksheets, no worries, because you can find the links in the newsletters or send me a direct message to get caught up. If you want expert help building your predictable revenue system, you can book a free 30-minute discovery call with me, and the link is right below this video. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Your predictable growth starts here, and see you soon. Again, this is Sai, your virtual business integrator.